Hello and welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about Dell Latitude E6540 out here. A very interesting gadget out there by Dell Latitude series. Definitely Latitude series is an amazing version. Whether it's about the technology used, security system, functionality, size, anything about it, it is definitely amazing. Talking about this variant, it has got Intel vPro technology out here with embedded security system of TPM security. Yes, you get to have TPM security with Intel vPro technology out here, which is definitely a good version. Apart from that, you get to see that it is offering you a great platform internally, like the internal processing, graphics, chip system. These are really good out there. Talking about the internal platforms, it offers you Intel Core i7 fourth generation. Yes, Intel Core i7 fourth generation could be seen out here. Along with that, it offers you max turbo speed of 3.7 gigahertz, whereas the base speed is 2.7 gigahertz. So you get to have a contrasting speed out there, 3.7 and 2.7 gigahertz out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can say it offers you a quad core processor. Yes, the quad core processor offered out is really amazing because processing is something which is very important out in every gadget. Talking about this gadget, then let us talk about the chip system, because processor alone does not make any gadget worth it. It is made worth it along with the mobile Intel out there. Yes, talking about the Intel out there, let us talk about the mobile Intel Express, which is the chip system used up in this gadget. Talking about this gadget, then we can say that it offers the mobile Intel QM87 Express. Yes, QM87 Express by mobile Intel is being used out on this variant, which is definitely a good version. Now, when we are talking about this good version, great Microsoft Windows operating system, 64-byte computerization is seen. What about the storage? Because storage plays an important role. And talking about the storage, then we can say that it offers you L3 cache type. Yes, cache type offered out here is L3 with an installed size of 6 MB. Yes, installed size of 6 MB could be seen out here, which is L3 cache memory out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it is offering you a max, we can say, RAM quality. If we talk about the RAM, then it offers you a RAM of good variation. Yes, now talking about the variations, then it offers you internal stored RAM of 8 GB. Yes, 8 GB is the internal stored RAM, but this RAM is in a different configuration. You get to have this RAM in the configuration of 4 plus 4. Like there are two slots and each slot has 4 GB installed RAM capacity. So total 8 GB installed RAM could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you this RAM in the type of DDR3L. Yes, the RAM type offered out here is DDR3L RAM type. Along with that, it offers you 1600 megahertz speed, which is also a good. 1600 megahertz speed is good, definitely a good version. But is 8 GB sufficient? Because sometimes it happens that a few users might find that this is not sufficient version. So what happens is it has to be increased. So the maximum support size offered out here is the 16 GB. So externally 8 GB can be added to this variant. So this can be said that it offers you total 16 GB maximum support size. But it has to be in the form of DDR3L with a speed of 1600 megahertz. Now, what about the hard drive storage? Because we know that RAM is definitely good. But what about hard drive? Because hard drive storage needs to be very good out there. Then it offers you HDD type hard drive. Yes, it offers you HDD type hard drive out here with the capacity of 500 GB. So 500 GB is the capacity offered out here, which is definitely a good version. Along with that, it offers you a spindle speed of 5400 RPM. Yes, 5400 RPM is the spindle speed offered out by this variant. So this can be said that it's a version, very good variant out here. Along with that, we can say that overall this variant offers you great specifications, offers you great functionalities. Apart from that, spindle speed is 5400 rpm, 500 GB is the storage in the HSD format. What else does this storage does? This storage is really good in the interface too. Now storage is good, processing is good out here. What about the display? What about the looks? It has got a amazing screen size that is 39.6 centimeters. Yes, the screen size out here is 39.6 centimeters offered out here. With LED technology, yes, it has a display of LED with backlight technology, anti-glance featuring, and a full HD resolution. So HD resolution is in the full form, that is the full HD resolution, anti-glance featuring, backlight technology, and LED display. So overall, you get to have LED backlight display with anti-glance featuring and HD resolution out there with an amazing screen size of 39.6 centimeters. Yes, you get to have 39.6 centimeters screen size, which is definitely a good variant out there. But does this screen size offers you enough everything out there? What about the video out there? What about the audio? Is it controlled by this? No, it is controlled out by the graphical processor. So let us talk about the graphics also. And it offers you AMD Radeon HD graphics. Yes, AMD Radeon graphics could be seen out here with a size of 8790M. Yes. This is not the size, this is actually the number out here. 8790M is the entire name out there. AMD Radeon HD 8790M. But what about the integrated webcam it has? Because it has got a very good integrated webcam. It offers you good stereotype speakers out there, microphone. So it has got overall a good sound quality out there. Along with that sound quality, amazing recording capturing capacity with integrated webcam, or good Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity with USB connectivities 2, 3, audio input output connectivity, power connectivity, SD card reading connectivity, memory card, flash card, these kind of connectivities. Along with that, you also get to have DVD connectivity out there. That is the DVD write-up connectivity could also be seen out on this variant. So these kind of variants are available out here. But we know that every gadget has got really amazing features, but the most important and the most working thing is the battery life. So let us talk about the battery. What is the run timing? What is the capacity out here? It offers you a battery out here with 9 cells. Yes, 9 cell lithium ion battery could be seen out here with a capacity of 97 volt. Yes, 97 volt is the battery capacity offered out there. Now this is offering you really good voltage. There is a very good capacity of the battery. But what about the pricing? Because apart from these things, pricing is really important. So let us talk about pricing on this website, that is just at click.com. Yes, this site just at click.com offers you amazing pricing. Pricings are actually very, we can say, pocketable. They are actually best pricing out in the market because they are offering you really good and the most affordable deals out here. Great selection of gadgets could be done. Along with that, you can have customized gadgets. Yes, if you would like to customize your gadgets and company has allowed the customization in that gadget, then you can customize your gadget according to it. Now let us search this gadget out here in this search icon, because this helps us to search the icon in a very limited format. So we get to see this is the result out here. Small description is given out there with a bag. Along with that, refurbished word is written. So this product is under the category of refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished products first. What are refurbished products all about? Talking about refurbished or certified refurbished products and brand new products, then there is no major difference out here. Yes, you will not find major differences out here. Refurbished and certified refurbished word is actually the same thing. They both are the same products. But brand new and refurbished are actually slightly different out there. There is no difference in the designing, functionality, testing. There is no difference. Just a difference of pre-ownization and the use version out there. Brand new products are generally the products which are absolutely new, released from the company, whereas refurbished products are a pre-owned gadget or the once used brand new gadgets. Yes, you can say that a gadget which has been once used by a user, brand new gadget, that is going to be resold is a refurbished product. They have the same design, there is no change in the design. They have got the same functionality, there is no change in functionality or storage, working, there is no change. Even the tests which have been included in the refurbished products or in the brand new, they are also the same. So you get to have the similarities, everything same. But what differs out there? There is a difference in the pre-ownization, and so let us look how this pre-ownization works. Usually a pathway is followed out, which is a base, mediator, and a consumer. This is the pathway followed out. Talking about the first category, that is the brand new category out here. You get to see that the brand new category out here offers you absolutely a entirely new process. Yes. Brand new gadgets are usually released or are always released out the company itself. Yes. The company for the very first time releases out their gadget into the marketplace for the users to buy them. So once the user buys this gadget, this brand new gadget is pre-owned by that user. So this ends the cycle of that particular gadget's brand new cycle. Yeah, like that particular gadget is terminated in the brand new cycle when the user buys that gadget. Now, after some time, what happens? The user gets bored of it or wants to resell that gadget. Then it is resold to a marketplace so that another user can buy it. So this is categorized as refurbished. Now, what is this refurbished? Once a gadget is pre-owned, now the user wants to resell that gadget and it is being resold. It is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished, but cannot be categorized as brand new because it has been once used by the user. It has been pre-owned out there, so you get to have a brand refurbished category. Now we can say that refurbished is actually the extension of brand new. Yes, if we talk about the pathway or anything, like refurbished is the extension of brand new. It will also be not wrong to say that every refurbished product is once a brand new product, but it's not mandatory that every brand new gadget is always a refurbished. It is not mandatory out at all, but every refurbished product was once a brand new gadget. Now, when we say that they are absolutely same, what is the difference then? Why we talked about two different categories? The major difference lies out in the testing sites. A company, before releasing it into the marketplace, it has to be tested and verified on various sites. Yes, it has to be tested and verified on various sites. Whereas the refurbished products are tested, verified, and approved on the same site before releasing it on their website or before selling it to another user. Now, talking about the parameters, what are the testing parameters included? There are majorly two different parameters, external parameter and the internal parameters. The external parameters usually involves that is a quick process directly through the eyes. Software is not required, tools are not required. These kind of things are not done out there because you directly see them, like the size of that gadget, weight of that gadget, camera, scratches, buttons, intactness, working of the buttons out there, placement of buttons, connectors out there, on off button out there, battery, working of battery, life of that gadget, as well as the touchpad out there, glass used out, any uh, breaking or scratch. Apart from these things, like these all things, these kind of parameters which you can directly see through your eyes, which does not require any software, which does not require any tool, these can be seen directly through eyes. That is done out there. Now, talking about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here offers you internal parameters. Yes, there is a internal category out there. There is another factor, that is the internal category. Now, they are actually very minute elements out there, very internal components included, like the chip system, processor out there, graphics used out, display resolution used out, capture resolution used out, internally connecting platforms, the buyers out there, the internal audits out there. So every part which is there, which has to be checked out through any software, or which we cannot directly just see through our eyes. It needs some tools and equipment. So they are done out in this internal category. Once every parameter is crossed, checked, verified, then the gadget is named as refurbished or certified refurbished, depending whatever they want to write. They absolutely the same thing. They both are synonyms to each other. Now, when we talk about this, then we can say that if any gadget fails out, or if any part is not working, what happens to that gadget? If it cannot be replaced, it cannot be renewed, then it is discarded there itself. Yes, it is discarded. Apart from that, if it can be replaced, renewed out there, then it has to be done with the original part provided by the company itself. Yes, the part which company provides for the replacement, renewing of that part is to be done. No fake or unknown part has to be used. So this is the reason why refurbished products are actually worth investing out there and absolutely newly liked. So they are absolutely newly liked gadgets. So there must be some benefits associated with them, and the benefits which are associated with them, number one is the rating. We know that brand new products are actually expensive when they are released out in the market. But the same product under the condition of refurbished is in pocket friendly rates. Yes. When a gadget is released for the first time, it is expensive. But once it is in the refurbished condition, you get to have pocket friendly rates out there. So now there's a difference in the pricing. You get to see a small difference out there. So does it help you save? Yes, it helps you have a huge saving. You can have a huge saving out there because this offers you a great savings. Because brand new are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable out there. We know that brand new gadgets often gives us the warranty period of 1 year. Yes, 1 year warranty with exchange policy. But if you buy any refurbished product from any direct source out there without any condition out there, so it does not offer you any warranty period. But if you have a refurbished product, if you have a product condition named as refurbished from any site out there, then you get to have that gadget with 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7 exchange policy. So you get to have really good functionality that 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy could be seen out in this version. So definitely you can try out this variant because offering you pocketable rates, savings, warranty, exchange policy, these kind of things are again being offered out to you for the same gadget which is under the brand new condition and the refurbished condition. So now let us go back to this site and let us see what kind of things they are offering. So we are at justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking at justatclick.com. The name itself suggests just at a click. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets. On this site, you get to have great deals, huge savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy, free shipping, COD availability, as well as you get to have customization option. So you can customize your gadgets. You can customize all the gadgets out here which are possible from the company itself. So that is really a good thing to see that customization is available out here. You get to have really amazing functionalities out there. Apart from that, 6 months warranty is given, COD is there, free shipping. Along with that, you can have a online support system which is available 24/7, online website, so no hassle, no worries out there. So everything could be done. And the best part is that you get to have great deals in pocket friendly ratings. So you can check out the website which is at justatclick.com, or check out the description for the link and the number out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.